Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. I have another 4x6 Traveler's Notebook layout that I titled Fly, and I'm using the collection My Favorite Easter from Echo Park for this page. This is a Traveler's Notebook in a smaller size, and I'm starting with putting a paper strip on the left side of the page there. And I created this page in the Silhouette Studio because I'm using the digital version of it, so this is all just printed, and I am basically creating the page and then clipping the papers to it and then printing them out. So this is how I go about. And so here I'm adding a little strip for contrast. It's using the same color there, and then I will fill up the entire page, the other side of the page there, with a background pattern paper, trying not to go too wild with that pattern paper because I will add my photos and stuff to that. So the left side with the more bold pattern, I will leave more empty than this side. So for this one, I created a little kind of a paper flag and then two paper strips that go on top of there. So here I'm just arranging it first to see where on the page I want to put it exactly, and then gluing it down with these paper strips that go across there, all of which have patterns from this collection, My Favorite Easter from Echo Park. And so here I am realizing it might be slightly directional, so I changed it around, but I don't think it really matters. It was kind of a floral pattern, and with floral patterns, it's not always directional. So then I have these two tiny frames that I have a die cut set for. And so I wanted to use these two little butterfly pictures with these frames. I just love using these frames because I do small scale scrapping, so these frames are perfect on these little Traveler's Notebook or just 4x6 any mini album pages basically. So here I am starting with gluing down the photo first and then putting that frame on top, and then I can arrange the other because I have to have an idea whereabouts because there will be overlap, so whereabouts I will put the frame before I actually glue things down. So here I'm arranging it a bit to see. And so that works fine. I had it when I prepared the photos for printing, I made sure that the one photo had enough of just space in it that was not important as far as the picture goes. And so because I knew I was going to use these little frames, and I knew I was going to angle it. So then here I have this butterfly. This doesn't come with a collection. I have it in my scrap stash from years ago, and it was from a card making set that I got here locally, totally no brand or anything. And then I have these two smaller butterflies that I have stamped and die cut, and then used colored pencil to color them. And then I have these created these word strips again, as usual. I will be sharing them very soon on my blog MistyHilltops.com as freebies, as I share a lot of other things as freebies, including some digital scrapbooking kits and a whole lot of other things. So check it out if you like. And anyway, here I am now using these paper strips or these word strips to embellish the page a little more. So I have word strips with various themes, so if you're interested, you can check that out on MistyHilltops.com. And then here I will have already on the other page, I have this word art bit that comes with this collection. And then, but I still wanted to use something about the butterflies there, not just a generic happy spring kind of title. So I die cut the word fly using some yellow cardstock there, and then I'm adding that to the page. And then I will also add a few more word strips to this side of the page, but I'm not going with 3 3 clusters of word strips this time, as I usually do. I felt I had enough of the clusters with the basically the main cluster with the photos kind of makes one big cluster, then the cluster with the title, and then creating this small cluster there which creates the visual triangle that I'm going for. Anyway, this is my page done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.